नमस्कार, કેમ છો? Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Vijay Rupani ji, honored delegates and friends of Canada. On behalf of Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and Canadian government, I wish to congratulate the government of Gujarat and Prime Minister Modi on another successful, vibrant Gujarat summit. Canada is pleased to be one of the earliest and longest standing partner countries that has produced tangible results for Canadian companies and Indian companies over many years. This year, I'm proud to lead a strong Canadian business delegation, many of whom place special emphasis on infrastructure and developing smart cities. This summit is especially important given the significant transformation of India under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. Canada very much supports the wide-ranging economic reforms implemented by his government, and we are seeing tangible results with much greater Canadian investment in the country over the past 18 months. From 2015 to 2016, two-way trade between our countries grew by nearly 30%, a remarkable achievement in the context of ongoing economic uncertainty around the world. There are now over 1,000 Canadian companies doing business in or with India, and some 690 Canadian companies and educational institutions have a physical presence here in India. Canadian companies like Bombardier, Magna, McCain, and Linamar have been making in India for many years, including here in Gujarat. There remain, however, significant opportunities for greater cooperation with Canadian and Indian companies for growth in sectors such as food and agri-food, energy and clean technology, education and skills development, infrastructure and aerospace, to name a few. Along with business linkages, people-to-people ties play a central and dynamic role in Canada and India relationship. There are more than 1.3 million Canadians of Indian origin, the largest Indian community in the world on a per capita basis outside of India, and it continues to grow. These Canadians make enormous contributions to our communities, our economy, and our country. Both India and Canada need resilient and modern infrastructure to facilitate the movement of people, goods, and services. We need good airports to do business efficiently and for citizens to maintain their ties with family and friends. We need schools and hospitals to ensure that we are able to train and nurture the future generations to carry on our legacy. Back home, Canada has made infrastructure investments a priority for years, and we continue to do so. We have had a long historical experience of connecting vast territory by developing a resilient physical infrastructure and innovative digital infrastructure. We have had the experience of creating smart, livable cities which have been consistently ranked as the world's best. We are keen to share that experience with India and to collaborate through Canadian companies to contribute to Government of India's Smart Cities initiative, and we hope that you will share your experiences with us. We look forward to more visits in the coming months, continued collaboration in the coming years, and that will continue to grow and strengthen the strong and important links between our two countries. And thank you to each and every one of you. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने हमें मौका दिया इंडिया में आने का और गुजरात में आने का. Thank you so much.
Your barrel bombs and mortars and airstrikes have allowed the militia in Aleppo to encircle tens of thousands of civilians in your ever-tightening noose. It is your noose.